Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. As most of you already know, or if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I'm a busy mom and I'm always on the go with my kids, and when I'm not, I'm working on content, so I don't really have the time to keep my apartment spotless on a daily basis. As much as I try to keep up with laundry, I just can't. I fold it and then I forget about it, and it often ends up getting knocked over and scattered all over the place. Flat out, my apartment is a complete disaster, so today I'm taking you through how I get my apartment back under control when it's a mess. And if you are new here and you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more of my future uploads. So this is not part of my usual kitchen cleaning routine, but I noticed that the Tupperware cabinet was out of control, so I stopped really quick just to organize it. I've used this method a few times before, but just to quickly explain what I'm doing with the mugs and essential oils, my friend Sarah from the Mama Lounge shared this forever ago, and I've been doing it since. Just let the oil saturate the price tag for a little while, and then you can peel or scrape it clean. It literally gets off all the sticky residue. I discount shop for just about everything for my home items, so I run into these sticky price tags all the time. I'm using my vinegar mix to wipe everything clean. The ingredients for this are always listed in the description for you guys. I've got a ton of good feedback about this cleaning solution. I'm so happy you guys like it too. I always switch up my scents with essential oils. Today I'm using lemongrass, which is one of my favorite relaxing scents. I love cleaning with this. I can wipe surfaces for days because it keeps it so clean and shiny and soft. I use it to spot clean my couch occasionally, and for those of you wondering if it leaves a residue or a scent behind, it really doesn't. I haven't tried it on any other material, so I can't answer that question. Moving on to the new products I'm using to clean my glass top stove. These came with it. I didn't buy them. I haven't used a creamy product in a while, so I had some fun with it. It's also super satisfying to clean with this. I don't know why, but the scent also, there's nothing special about it. It actually smelled kind of nasty to me. The sponge did get the food off, and of course I had to go back over it with my vinegar mix and buff it dry. These stainless steel wipes I see every YouTube mom use, so I picked them up. Majority of the comments from my haul said the spray is better, and that's what I'm going to do next time. I like the result, but I did have to go back over with a dry cloth. With the spray, I just spray the cloth and buff away any marks with one step. So thank you guys for suggesting. As soon as this one runs out, I'll be picking that up. In my laundry room now, my cleaning headquarters, that is completely devastating. This is a clear example of how my life has been. If you ask me how my life has been, I'll show you this room. If it's intact, good. Out of sorts, struggling. This room and my storage room that typically fall apart do give me anxiety. I don't want to be in them when they're like this. Pretty much any room that is in this state is overwhelming, which I have a lot of today. To avoid shutting down and not wanting to do it, I've mentioned this before, but I zone out to music. Sometimes the music I'm listening to has words, oftentimes it doesn't, and they're the very songs that I use in my videos, with the exception of really loud, blaring dubstep beats. I know it's not for everyone, but you find what you like to listen to, whatever makes you feel good. The playlist I listen to motivates me and keeps me upbeat throughout my routines. This little Bissell vacuum I picked up at Walmart for $20. It was right in the front, the color drew me in, and I needed a couch vacuum. It works 3 ways, which I'll be demonstrating throughout the video. So far, I love this thing, you guys. It's light but not flimsy in my opinion. My girls can use it very easily, and they're getting more into helping. I do have to empty out the filter very often, but since it's small, it's just not a negative for me. I'm going over a spot on my fridge with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and yes, that is Publix fried chicken in the background and French bread. It was so good. In my room, I'm gonna do a huge speed clean and wipe all the surfaces. It's been a while since I did. My bathroom is a complete mess. I also have more laundry to fold and put away during that time. All the products I'm using are always listed in the description for you guys. Alright, I think it's time for me to take a break from talking and turn up the music. I picked some great songs for this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, all the songs that I use are always linked in the description bar for you guys too, so if you like them, make sure you're checking there.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity.
Back in the laundry room now. I'm switching the laundry and starting another load. I'm trying to get as much laundry out of the way as I can because it's my least favorite chore. After that, I'm headed into my bathroom to clean it before moving into the living areas.
Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love.
In my bathroom, I have a lot of organizing to do. I'm also going to be deep cleaning using my same routine and products. To clean my tub, I first used the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner and a regular sponge, then I went back over it with the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to easily get off any hard stains. Now I'm spraying my toilet and around the base of the toilet with my vinegar mix. I'm going to let that sit. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum all the areas in my room and bathroom, show you guys the end results, and move straight into the living room.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
I'm starting with vacuuming my couch with my little Bissell. I did have to stop and empty it because I've been using it. I'm not spot cleaning my couch today, but for you guys that are wondering if my vinegar mix leaves a residue or a scent, it really doesn't. But if you don't have a couch like mine, I don't recommend you try it unless you want to and get back to me. But I've never tried it on any other material couch, so I don't know. So I have to clean my windows regularly, especially these two because my kids' fingerprints are on them. It's super hot and humid, but so far the kids are liking the outdoor small play area. They literally cannot fall or go anywhere. I'm keeping an eye on them, of course, and it's nice to have them occupied together. If you notice, they haven't really been giving me a hard time this video. They were at the playground for a while earlier in the morning, and the extra heat I guess made my son really tired, which was golden. My daughter would just sit and chat or help fold. I just wanted to get through this last load of laundry before going to pick up Ruby from school. My son transferred just fine into the car and kept sleeping. My daughter fell asleep too, but by the time we got home, they were awake and happy to see their sister, of course. So good, because right after snack, they were to help me clean their room. I used to just do everything myself, and sometimes I still do if they're not home. I have the tendency to baby my children. Ruby is 8.5, Sultan is 4, and my boy is 2.5, and he just started to help clean up. They are getting so much better at helping with chores. The main way we do this is we take turns picking songs. We make it really fun. The kids know I'm filming, but we literally do this once a day during daily afternoon tidy-ups. We play a variety of music. My kids like David Guetta, Zedd, Calvin Harris. We pretty much like the same music besides the really annoying teeny bop remakes of old music that my daughter thinks are so cool. She's so surprised when I can sing along. She's like, "Mom, how do you know this song?" And I'm like, "Girl, I've been singing this since I was your age." My son does love music too, but he's always back and forth between the girls and I. He grabbed the Teddy Grahams off the counter and brought them to me, so I started putting them in his little shirt pocket, which he thought was so funny to eat them out of there. Then he started bringing me stuffed animals and baby dolls to feed too. I only ignore my kids while cleaning if they're crying for no reason. Sometimes my son will do that or just throw a random tantrum, and I just pretty much ignore him. If there's nothing visibly wrong with him, I continue to do what I'm doing, and I don't let that discourage me. I didn't clean my kids' bathroom at this time. I clean my kids' bathroom regularly, even if I am falling off my routines. All 3 of my kids use this bathroom, so it's important for me to keep it clean. The only thing I did was reorganize, sweep, and mop at the end. My last stop of mess is my storage room. I'm sorting and reorganizing all of our shoes and bags. Then I'm getting everything up off the floor to vacuum and mop in here in all areas. So before I mop, I'm quickly showing you guys how many cloths I use for this cleaning and how I wash them. Sometimes I let them sit until the next day, but if I can manage, I do it immediately. Depending on how many cloths I have, I'll use 1 to 2 Tide Pods along with my favorite cleaning product for sanitizing and keeping my cloths clean. This Lysol laundry sanitizer is bomb. I highly recommend this product. It truly keeps my cloths clean and fresh. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is mop using my Method Squirt Mop for hard floors. I use this all the time. I haven't used any other cleaner in a very long time. I use this with water and a bucket. I never use it on its own because I find it leaves a film. Some of you did get back to me and say it was leaving a film, but go ahead and try with some water and that might give you the result that you're looking for. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and for 80,000 subscribers. You guys that watch until the end are the absolute best. I love you girls, and I will talk to you all in my next video.